So today I'll be showing you how to connect your JBL Charge 6 to your phone via a cable. So you can actually connect a Type-C to Type-C cable from your phone to your Charge 6 to get lossless audio. So let's go ahead and connect our Type-C to Type-C cable, one end into the phone and the other end into the JBL speaker. But the trick is, to connect, you need to press and hold the play button. So this play button right here. So press and hold that play button and then plug in the cable into the speaker. It may or may not make a sound depending on whether you have the tones disabled. And that's it. One thing you'll notice is that the Bluetooth button will go off. But your speaker is connected via a cable, so you can actually play like that. So that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.